Hi everybody, it's Frans Peters from Lotus Holland, and I'm here to demonstrate the Handywash, our ergonomically improved, eco-friendly manual washout system for screen printers. First, let me guide you through the features of this unit. The one you see here is the small one. It's 1.25 meters or 4 feet wide. We also have this in a double size, which is 2.5 meters wide or 8 feet roughly. The small one is intended to utilize for one screen at a time, and with the big unit you can use, obviously you can clean bigger screens or more small screens at the same time, depending on your size, 2, maybe 3 of those screens. Let me show you these features. The most unique feature of this system is that it has 2 outlets. One outlet is connected to the tank on the bottom, which contains the cleaner to clean your screen, and the other outlet is connected to the drain. These outlets are protected by a small grid. This is to protect your valves from getting clogged with ink particles. Just put it in here, and if needed you can take it out for cleaning. Furthermore, the system is protected with bigger grids, again to protect everything from getting clogged, in this case with big pieces like tape, etc. In here. The system is fitted with a backlit panel. The big one has 2 backlit panels. The small unit has 1 backlit panel. And here on this side is your operator switch, where you can switch it on and off. Obviously, you just plug it into the socket in the wall, and then you can switch on the light and switch it off. On this side, you have the air operator to operate the valves. I will explain that later how that works. And here is your connection for the air. Just hook on the air and regulate the pressure with this pressure switch on this side. On the other side we have the connection for the drain. Here is where we hook up a hose which pumps the wastewater away to the drain. The technique is back here where you have the tank for the chemicals, the ink remover. There's a filter inside, the cartridge filter. Once it is saturated, just lift it up, open the cap, take it out, put on a new one, close the cap, put it down, and you're ready to go again. And here are your 2 valves which are connected to the drains, to the outlets. The tank has a capacity of about 75 liters, which is roughly 20 gallons. And when you are done, you can cover it with this lid. The air pumps are fitted behind these covers to reduce the noise as much as possible. And there is a valve right here. Here on this side is the valve for the drain pump, and here on this side is the valve for the chemical pump, with which you can control the volume and speed of the pumps. That's it about the technique. Now let me demonstrate how you work with this system.